Meanwhile, Oregon's Attorney General says he's preparing to battle the Trump administration over vote by mail. Yesterday, the president signed an executive order limiting mail-in voting.
It could have a big impact on Oregon's mail-in voting system. Political Director Ken Boddy spoke with Oregon's AG Dan Rayfield today. Ken, when can we expect a lawsuit here?
Well, AG Rayfield says it will happen very soon, but he didn't give a specific timetable. He says he wants to solidify his legal arguments and join with other states. The president's executive order directs Homeland Security to create verified voter lists using federal data, including Social Security. Those lists would be transferred to states, including Oregon, to determine who's eligible to vote. Rayfield says it would weaponize the Postal Service, giving them rulemaking power to determine who gets a ballot through the mail and who doesn't. And he's concerned that the federal government would take control of voter lists, a role constitutionally guaranteed to the states.
What we're working right now with this specific executive order is having a unified lawsuit by all the Democratic attorneys general as we push back against this. We think that that is the strongest approach in this case, and that's what we're working in earnest towards.
We are the gold standard when it comes to safe, accurate, fair elections, and we will continue to be.
Oregon has had mail-in voting since 1998, and the state legislative fiscal office says there have been very few cases of fraud and not enough to sway any election. The state already uses barcodes and signature verification for mail-in ballots, something the president's order also stipulates. The president himself recently voted by mail. Now, this is happening as Congress considers the SAVE Act, which would require documentation of citizenship in order to vote and valid photo ID to participate in federal elections. If and when Attorney General files this lawsuit, it will be the 61st lawsuit that he's filed against the Trump administration.
All right, Ken, thank you. Appreciate it.